When used correctly, hashtags can boost your engagement, get you more impressions, skyrocket the overall growth of your Instagram channels and the channels of your clients. So it goes without saying that proper hashtag research is vital to your Instagram success. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is ANDREA Jones. I am a social media strategist dedicated to helping you build the business that you love and that loves you back. And in this video, I'm showing you as a social media manager how you can properly use hashtags as a tool to grow your clients' accounts. Make sure you're subscribed for more insider tips, tools, and lots of juicy videos coming your way. But without further ado, let's dive into this screen share video tutorial. Okay, so we're gonna start with our hashtag research, and I definitely want you to start with either your business or something related to a search term that your target audience would use. So I use this yoga podcast one, so I'm gonna hit search here, and I'm gonna type in yoga. And it gives you a few options here. I'm gonna move over to tags. So we see a few of the top hashtags. Now I wanna point out some things to you. This hashtag right here, hashtag yoga, you may be tempted to use it. It's way too general. It's got 53 million entries. Your post is going to get buried. Okay, so you want to use something that's not so popular. So I'm going to scroll down to this one, yoga poses. It's still pretty popular, but it's a little over where I want to be, but it's a really good place to start. Okay, it's not quite as bumpin' as some of these other places. So I'm going to click on yoga poses, and it's going to pull up all of those hashtags related to yoga poses. Now, the very first thing you're going to see is related hashtags. So these are hashtags that are generally posted together with yoga poses. So you can scroll through some of these and get some ideas for what kind of hashtags you should use. Right underneath that, you'll see two different options here, top and recent. Top posts are the most popular posts in that hashtag, and it's usually weighted by time. So Instagram hasn't exactly told us what that means to be in the top kind of hashtag section, but it's usually related to recent posts that have a lot of engagement right away. And you can see videos promoted here pretty heavily. And then this top left-hand side here is your stories. So that is a good place to use that hashtag as well, which we'll talk about in the Instagram stories section. Okay, so you found this yoga poses hashtag. You may want to write that down. You may want to use it, come back to it. All right, so here is the second thing you want to do when you're looking at these, looking for a hashtag, is scroll through and make sure, sorry, I clicked on one. Make sure these posts are indeed yoga poses, okay? You want to make sure that's related to what it is. And I know that sounds bizarre, but I'm telling you right now, some of these hashtags, you think they mean one thing, they could mean a different thing. You don't want to use a hashtag that's not related to whatever it is you're doing. And yes, I see quite a few yoga poses here. So I'm going to click on a picture. This one here looks intense. What? All right. So this post right here is a yoga pose. It's got quite a few likes, some comments. So I want to look at what other hashtags this person is using. I clicked more, and it pulls up all of the hashtags that this person is using to get awareness for their brand. And you can see that they've got quite a few likes there, so it's good to see. So you've got yoga, the hashtag, they're using general ones, but you've also got one like this, yoga every damn day. I had a yoga client, and so I know that hashtag personally is probably a good one. So I'm going to click on it just to see where it is. It's got quite a lot of posts, very popular. But could be something that you want to consider. Now, this is an example of a long-tailed hashtag. It's got a lot of words in it. It's not just hashtag yoga. It's hashtag yoga every damn day. Okay, so you can also look through these related hashtags. You can look through these other ones, click on them, see which ones, what other hashtags they're using. So like this person also uses partner yoga. that could be interesting. And look, it's only got 310,000 posts. So this is a perfect example of a specific hashtag. If you're using a post that has two people doing yoga together, as you can see from some of the videos and the pictures here, partner yoga could be a great hashtag for you that's specific to what you do that quite a lot of people are using. Okay. So we look through that specific picture. We also look through these related ones up here. So here's Acro Love. This is not necessarily related to yoga because it's a different sort of idea here, but it's very similar. It's very similar audience. You can see that it's very much related to partner yoga and that these individuals are doing some intense stunts things with their body. It's quite amazing. But this will take you further into other kind of avenues, other things to consider. So I'm going to look at what other hashtags this person is using. They have Acro Yoga Love, Acro Yoga Fun. Those are long tail hashtags, and they're very specific to what this person is doing. So I want to click on one here at the bottom here that says Circus Every Damn Day. So that one only has 570,000 posts versus Yoga Every Damn Day, which has 41 million. So this may be interesting for you to use. You may find that this works really well for you. Okay, so this is your start to your hashtag research. So I want you to take a pen and paper or use a spreadsheet or use a Google Doc and take 10 to 15 minutes, go through your niche, your industry, find hashtags that work for you. If you get stuck, head on over to the community and ask a question, and I can help you. Our community members can help you find some hashtags that work for you. And if you want to dive even deeper into building a successful social media business, download my social media business building blueprint for free. It'll help guide you through the steps you need to consider as you build your business. I'll see you back here soon for more videos. Bye.